I strongly believe the art and science of cooking, regardless what part of the world that food is prepared, is unique and authentic. Hi everyone, welcome to East Bahia Cooking in Liberia, Episode 1. Our featured dish has many names depending on which region in Africa and beyond. It is no other than ground pea soup, as it is most commonly called in Liberia. There are many variants of this dish in nations of West and Central Africa, France, and even a variation in North America. Some call it groundnut or peanut stew, even though it originates from the Mandinka and Bambara people of Mali. The dish is known as Domodah or Tigadegena sauce. In French, sauced'arachide. In the U.S., Virginia peanut soup. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. Today we are doing ground pea soup. Some call it ground pea soup, some call it peanut soup. These are all my ingredients. I have beef, I have my vegetables, I have the peanut butter itself, I have the tomato paste, I have salt, I have the bay leaf, I have garlic, I have onions. This is pita pot. This is carrot. This is punky. This is sweet pepper. And this is cabbage. Okay, we are about to start now. Pour a little bit of vegetable oil, just a little bit. Let the oil get hot. Put some pepper. That is pepper and garlic. And let's cook it up. Now, I will pour some water. Okay. This is my peanut butter. I will pour it. Depends how you want it. You like to make it very plenty to make it thick. You like it like that. Make it watery. You can stick with a little bit of peanut butter there. A little bit. Now, we let it fry until the oil come out. See? The oil gonna come out. Okay, now all of my vegetable is in the pot right now. So what I can do, I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna put some salt in it. This is the salt. I'm not gonna put a lot of salt there. I'm just gonna put small salt. A lot of people don't eat salt, or you can use cube. See? Now the ground pea soup is ready. Nothing much here, you see? All the vegetables. See the cabbage? See the bitter ball? Everything, you can see everything. So it's ready to eat now. Ta-da-da! It smells very good.
Please click on the description section of this video to get the full recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones are greatly appreciated. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks, and let's get cooking.